Welcome, CNG 132 Online. Today is Monday, 8 o'clock a.m., so I probably missed a few people starting on their homework, but nonetheless, it's okay. We won't change anything this week. In the news, make sure to take a look at this brief little article, just for some internal thought. If you want to change your discussion to this topic this week, that is fine. I'm okay with that. To address some issues within there. When I read it, I definitely had some issues that I felt I would vocalize. So you can change your discussion to this week. Transcender is now Kaplan IT training. I don't have my new codes for Kaplan IT training. Once I do, I will get a video showing how to sign in, how to access the products. We will, if you have any sort of Transcender time remaining, make sure you read this paragraph there, that short paragraph. All the older accounts that still have access available will be migrated to Kaplan. And when the school starts to get the Kaplan certificates codes back in, certificate codes, I will let everybody know. And this is specific. The reason I push Transcender Kaplan pre-test rehearsal, certification rehearsal, is it's actually a safety net for anyone who forgets to do a test or even bombs a test. I know sometimes people are sick, and we just have to take the test anyhow and just accept scores that we do get. Looking at chapter 5, I believe it's network and server, networking and server attacks. Let's see, assignments. Pretty small list of assignments, I think. This week was pretty light, yeah. So this week's a little lighter. If there are any issues with the lab, just let me know. There's only one more week with the labs, and then they kind of trail off. Another cool thing that I saw this weekend when I was at the store doing grocery shopping, there was a special edition Time that had to deal with cyber attacks. I didn't pick it up on my way exiting, just because I had my entire family with me, but I did pick it up and thumb through it just a little bit. I'll probably head back today and pick it up and actually take it, buy it, and read it. Interesting just to see cybersecurity being published, even awareness being published in the community, and I'm gonna actually, kind of look it over to see how they put it together, if it relates to the common person, or if it's just like a scare tactic just to boost sales. I'm always interested in that kind of stuff. Anyways, I'll start grading today. You should see your grades definitely in by later today, or later, I should say, later this morning. If you have any questions, let me know. Reach out to me. If you missed the test of week 4, once again, do not worry. That or I should say Kaplan is that safety net for you to help you get there. Also, make sure you click these weekly check-in videos. This is where I'm posting updates. I did have received another email that said that I couldn't find check-in videos. It's always going to be underneath the same tab as the week 4 kickoff. So, any questions about that, make sure to post, ask, and I'll definitely answer.